Hi guys, in today's video, I will walk you through the process of filing a dispute in Cash App. So if you've encountered any issues with transactions and need to resolve them, then follow along as I guide you step by step through the dispute process. Alright, so as you all may know, Cash App generally allows you to dispute transaction for issues such as unauthorized charges, failed transactions, or other problems. So just make sure to provide as much information and evidence as possible to support your claim. Now, to file a dispute for a cash card transaction in Cash App, start by opening the Cash App and navigate to the home screen. Now, once you're there, tap on the Activity tab to review your recent transactions and identify the specific transaction you want to dispute and select it. Now, in the top right corner of the screen, tap on the three dots to reveal additional options. Then, from the menu that appears, choose Need Help and Cash App Support. And within the support actions, locate and tap on the specific one that says dispute this transaction. Now, if you encounter any difficulties with the dispute form, don't hesitate to reach out to their support team by calling them. So they can provide personalized assistance and guide you to the process over the phone, ensuring a smooth resolution to any issues you may be facing. Now, let's say you've submitted the dispute form. Your next step is to patiently wait for the Cash App team to respond to your claim. So they will communicate with you via email, providing updates or requesting any additional information they may need to process. Just keep an eye on your email inbox for their response and follow any instructions they provide to facilitate the resolution of your Cash App transaction concern. And that's it. That's how you file a dispute on Cash App. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.